In this tutorial, we will show you how you can create services for your vehicles and items. Let's navigate to Work Organization and click on Services. There is an important difference between defects and services. Defects are tied to your project, while services are tied to your items. Let's go over the functions. Here we can filter the services. This is our status flow map, which you can also use to navigate around by clicking on the bulletins. Lastly, we have our stages for the services. Click on Create. Fill out the request. When it comes to receiver type, we have two options. It can be our worker in case we have our own servicers for our items and vehicles. It can be a service company we work with. When done, we have additional options we can use. We can add attachments to the service. Edit if any additional info is needed or changed. Keep in mind, this is the only stage we can edit the request. And proceed the service onto the next phase. Click on Proceed. While the service request is in its pending phase, depending who is assigned for it, we will have two options. We advise when it comes to both defects and services that the employees should have the app installed on their phone. Simply because when we assign our employee to resolve the request, we cannot proceed the request onto the next stage until the employee accepts the assignment on their side. If we assign the service onto us, we will have the option to accept or decline it. Same will be on the employee's side. Same principle goes for a service company, but in order for them to see the request and process it correctly, they need to be registered. Since services cost, we can add how much was the repair and additional info that was provided after the service was complete. After 1 month, the completed services will be moved to archived automatically. In case an employee has declined a service, we have the ability to reassign it to someone else or a service company. If something was revoked on the other hand, we will see it on the Revoke tab, but you will need to create the service again from the start. Lastly, just to mention, navigate to Vehicles and select Statistics. On the Services tab, you will have an overview of all services that were completed on the specific vehicle you selected. Thank you for watching. Feel free to check out our How to Create a Defect tutorial since the two are very similar. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out.